Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product I received. Obviously you know already what I'm talking about, but I think this is a product for what I've been more excited in my whole life, because I think this product is very different. I think it looks pretty, so I'm going to open it. Okay, let me take it off from the box. Let me take it off. Okay, I'm taking it off carefully. Okay, because remember that this is a premium glass. Okay, it's like this. I like that this product, it comes with this type of protection because it protects very well the product. I like it because this, I think it's a different product. I think that, wow, it's because really you can imagine how beautiful it is. The material used in this product, it is a premium glass, which it gives a crystal clear transparency. Okay, like you can see there, you can see everything behind me, allowing the beautiful that obviously I'm going to put here some flowers, so it allows the beautiful of the flowers and water to shine through. Okay, the surface is exceptionally smooth. Okay, like you can see there, adding to the overall luxurious feel. So the bottom of the base is meticulously thicker, and it is providing stability and stability and a sense of durability. Okay, so I'm going to place the vase on the table and I'm going to show you. Okay guys, there's the product already, and the vase has come alive as a centerpiece of both style and sophistication. Okay, the flower seems to harmonize effortlessly with the vase modern design. I think that the design, it's very different. Okay, creating a seamless integration that resonates with any home decor. So because it's like transparent, and the stunning visual effect is undeniable, a perfect marriage of nature's and delicate beauty and contemporary chic. Okay, as you can see there, it's super beautiful, and this combination not only elevates the room like a aesthetics, but also brings an aura of elegance, I think, with the different design that it has, and that it enchants anyone who enters. So what do you think about this product? It's very beautiful. Okay, the flower, I think that it keeps a lot of harmonize, so I hope you like it.